Hello, my friends. Well, I'm going to pour one more wine pour in my wine series. I've done 4 of them so far. Merlot, Chardonnay, and Rosé, and the Petite Syrah is still wet. I can't show you that yet. But notice the difference in appearance. These two really seem to go together, but this one has so much more of this cell action. And I'm thinking it was the particular bottle of Floetrol. They were all from 2020 and labeled Floetrol, but I probably opened a new bottle when I did these, and I actually prefer this, just a little bit of that, not so much. Although I think this is really interesting. I may name this one Fermentation. But my idea today, I'm going to repeat these same colors, try to get one that looks a little more cohesive with these two, with the 3 actually, and we'll see what happens. Now these were mostly Arteza paints. I didn't get a lot of this in the Syrah one, but that was a different paint. That was not Modern Masters, Masters Touch, and this was Modern Masters. So that's what I'm going to use today. I'm mixing up the same colors, but the same bottle of white that I poured these with. So let's see what happens. So I'm just assuming it's the white, but wouldn't it be funny if I ended up with a very similar painting, and then we'll know it's the Modern Masters that did it. So let's see. I forgot to mark this ahead of time. Can you see that? Yes. Okay. And I found myself scraping up nearly half as much from the surface as I had poured on here, so I'm using the scrapings. I'm hoping it will be enough. I'll probably be pouring a lot more of these, and take them around to my local wineries here. I mean, these 4 or 5 are promised to the previous winery, but we have a lot of wineries here, so maybe I can get some more people interested in them. We'll see. But they're quite really fun to do, and easy and pretty. And we certainly have the wine enthusiasts around to enjoy them. Okay. So run my finger along the edges there. Later I'll come back and fill in any voids that may be there. Okay. This time I have mixed up what I think is exactly the same. Ruby Red from Modern Masters, Silver from Modern Masters. This was, what's the name of it? No, I think this is Arteza Silver. I think the Modern Masters one is darker than that. I think that's Arteza. And then this is Soho in Crimson with a bit of Dioxazine Purple and a bit of Modern Masters Black Pearl to darken it. So pretty much exactly the same as I did on that first pour. So here we go. And I'll start up here this time. I watched the video myself. I went pretty skimpy on the paint on that first one. So I'm going to add more this time. But only one course of silver. And I think I liked it in there, but I like the contrast, but yeah, I'm not certain about it. All right, now the dark. I feel like I did 2 of those. I'm going to put one more dark. Okay. And here we go. Lots of selling. Wow. Wow, I find that fascinating. Look at all that I didn't get with the last one. So let's see what the difference. Maybe it's the Soho paints, because the red that I used the most of was no maybe it's the Modern Masters. The ruby red is the one that seems to have settled up a lot. The darker is not doing that so much. Interesting. And then the silver is Arteza, but look, I mean, I like it. It's pretty, and it's kind of a meld of the two. I did use more paint this time, and I think I like it better with the other two as opposed to this one. It certainly goes better with the composition wise. Interesting. I like it. I'm happy with it. I'm happier than I thought I would be. Except this, well, look at that. Looks like a seal. That. I don't want a seal in my wine painting. So, he's even got a whisker. Oh, it looks like a hummingbird. What have I done? Oh, well. That's okay. All right, let me bring you in for a closer peek at this. I'm liking the color very much. I do like that lacing. Wow. Well, I'm out of these canvas sizes, but I do have other sizes, of course, and maybe I'll do some more experimenting with, what did I think it was? The Soho paints. Got a lot of reds in Soho, so maybe I'll try them and see if they sell up as well. Oh, I'm all confused now. But I'm pleased with the result, and that's what counts. So thank you for joining me on this wine journey, and I'll see you next time.